Hello everyone, I'm Sanchana. I'm from PSG iTech from Coimbatore. Last year July I have joined Emertxe to do my embedded system course. Actually it is the best place to build your career. So in that I have learned embedded C and hands-on experience in microprocessor, microcontroller, Linux internal like that. Then I have done so many projects which has enhanced my knowledge and skills. The assignments and the project which I have done in the Emertxe improved my skills, and the test and the follow-up session gave me an opportunity to improve myself where I am blanking and all. So I think it is the best place for everyone to build their career. Coming to the placement, I have a good experience with the placement. Recently I got placed in Honeywell, so which is a premium core company. So in that they have asked about the projects I have done in the Emertxe, so which have added a good value in my resume. Coming to the placement session, the mock interview and the interview preparation they have done have improved myself and made me confident to face all the interview. So thank you Emertxe for this wonderful opportunity. So I would highly recommend Emertxe is the best place to build your career. Thank you.